Hello, what's up, everybody? I got a.
Who is this? Who are you?
I am Allison.
And Allison, who are you to me?
I'm your granddaughter.
And who am I?
Your Tina's Crafty Life.
All right. Okay.
I got a gift from the Sarcastic Craft Hoarder, and it's a
Her
dragon.
name's Brenda.
It's a dragonology book.
What's this pocket? Like little notes?
Yes, I think.
Yeah, she was excited when I gave it to her. So.
Dragon book.
Yep.
Ah.
There you go. Okay.
And
little pockets, kind of like your fairy book I gave you.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Library card.
Let's see what's say here. Affix your own photograph here and fill in your details. Oh, so I should take your picture. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. It's like a journal for yourself. Speaking of journal.
There's 3 chapters: elementary, dragonology, not chapters but areas. Lessons. Elementary dragonology, intermediate dragonology, and advanced dragonology for experienced practitioners only.
Cool.
And then there's stuff about different types of dragons and the scale colors.
Cool.
And then there's the types of dragons right here: the wyvern, the European, lined worm, knucker, gargoyle, frost, amphitheater, I think.
Empathize? I don't know.
Marsupial, and the Asian lung.
You can say that one, but you can't say that one. Okay.
And then there's the chicks, or
why are you on your tippy toes?
I don't know.
Okay. She's standing next to me on her tippy toes. I was like, what are you doing?
Then there's different chicks, and right here it's telling the difference of frost and European dragons. Then there's this dragon is the frost dragon, and then this is a wyvern.
They can't see you. This is only a video, baby. She keeps looking up for a chat. More about the dragon, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
what's this? The main text of the lesson is dragon script. Oh, it's okay.
Right here.
Oh, it's right there. I like the Lord of the Rings. They have Elvish language.
Yes, I know.
Oh, okay. That's what kind of reminds me of.
Yeah.
There's a dragon in there.
Yeah, I know.
Small. Well, that's in the Hobbit, actually. Knucker. Oh, and it tells you exactly where they're found. Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Gems.
Hey, this is like Smog. He wants to keep all the gold and gems like in the Hobbit. Okay.
Yeah. Like ruby, emerald, sapphire, diamond, opal, and amethyst.
Cool.
My favorite is amethyst. And then that's where we go from elementary to intermediate.
Okay. This is a cool book.
Tibetan dragon. Tibetan. I don't know.
So you can write in this if you want.
Yeah.
Are you going to? Or are you just going to leave it?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Because it kind of looks like a kind of little journal thing. You know what I would do? I wouldn't write per se in a book, but Nana could like scan this and make you a copy. So then you don't write in the original, but you could stick it in the book. But that's up to you. It's your book. Oh, the Chinese writing. Oh, cool. So you just match them.
Jing.
Cool. It's really a cool book.
Yeah.
Dr. Drake needs you.
Map.
Yep.
Oh, San Francisco.
That's the United States.
Yeah, I know it's a San Francisco right there.
Yep. More. I like how you see the dragon through the writing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. More different language.
Yes.
That's cool. Okay. So use this like a lesson book to learn your dragons. Okay.
Oh, it says The Legend of Dragon Kings.
Cool. Tell us about it.
There's just more dragon types.
Cool.
A Mexican empather.
Empather.
It says here that eggs must be kept on a nest of live burning coals for 36 months.
Oh.
That's like 2 years. More code.
Cool. Okay.
Egyptian alphabet.
Awesome.
And then Lambert script.
Yeah.
Oh, and right here you can make one for your own.
Oh, cool.
Letters.
Yep. Stop doing that. It's freaking me out.
I don't know what this is.
Well, when you get to it, you'll read it. Then I'll make you a dragon bookmarker. You want a dragon?
I have one.
Oh, okay.
The purple one you gave me.
I know, but then you can start, if you read this one. Well, you should, in a minute, I want you to go get that so you can thank Bima as well. Okay?
Okay.
And grab your diary and your little dragon I got you.
Okay.
You don't have to show everybody what's in your diary, but I want to show them the outside. It's so cool. Okay, continue.
Glossary of Dragonological. I can't say it.
Bring your book that you're reading, because I keep telling them about the book series, but I never remember the name. So
Wings of Fire.
Okay. All right, continue.
The Glossary of Dragonological. I can't speak. Dragonological terms.
There you go. Good job, Allie.
And then there's more.
Glossary.
Yeah.
You get an award. A certificate. Cool.
Oh, and then there's a bunch of stickers.
The stickers are awesome.
And
another little envelope.
Uh-oh.
It's all right. It's there. We're good.
And then there's a bunch of stickers.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god, stickers are cool. But you know what one's my favorite?
What?
I'll show you. Hang on, let me find it. I picked it up the other day. I was like, oh my god. I want to scan these, Allie. So, okay.
Okay.
I like this one.
I like this one.
Keep out, this book belongs to.
Oh yeah.
That one's cool too, but this is cool too.
I
want to scan these before you leave, okay?
He's holding a pearl.
Okay, yep. So go get your other stuff. I think they're cool, so I'm going to scan them. Go bring your book, your diary. Thank you, Brenda. She just, when she saw this, she just like, oh my god! She was so excited.
Okay.
Get your book. Look at this diary, guys. Ain't this cool? See, we got the little lock. And it's just got a little tablet inside. But when I seen this, where's your pen? When I seen it on the floor, and Allie finds a corner. She has a little corner in my house. That's where she is. She reads. She does her own thing. And I went out there this morning. I'm like, what is that? She goes, it's my diary. Isn't that cute? I remember the days of loving this stuff when I was little. I feel like sometimes I'm reliving my childhood through it. Oh, and then her pen.
My little panda pen.
Cute.
Multicolors.
Yep.
And then...
Where's your dragon?
Huh?
Where's your dragon? I gotcha.
What dragon?
The water dragon thing from the movie.
Oh.
Allie has anxiety really bad. So she was going through a tough spot. So I bought her a little gift and told her whenever she's sad, she could hold this.
Wham.
Oop. It's from the Disney movie. What's its name?
Her name is Sisu, and she's from the movie Raya and the Last Dragon.
Okay, get your bookmark. Can you... Okay, give me... I'll put a little thing in there so you don't lose your page. Okay. Show them your bookmarker. Be mommy, Joe. Thank her, too.
Thank you, Bima, for making me this bookmark.
Show the top. That's what's cool about it.
And then you got a little dragon thing.
Charm. Here.
I don't know if you can see it.
It's gonna be hard. But it's purple because Allie's favorite color is purple.
Well, the wing is purple.
The wings are purple. Isn't that cute? Bima made her that.
Thank you, Bima.
Anything else? Oh, show me. This is the book series she reads.
Dragons.
Okay.
Wings of Fire.
And I got her the first 4?
5.
5. And then you've been getting the I don't know how many are out since then.
There's 14 out right now.
And how many do you got?
14.
See? Yep. So,
And
she reads more than one. Look at, she's got 2 of them with her.
Just in case I finish this one because I'm very close to the end.
Ah, okay. I see. Alrighty. So, what do we want to say? No, to the ladies.
Thank you, Bima and Brenda.
Okay. Now do the spiel.
Can I say something first?
Sure.
In the comments, I want to see if you can guess the name of this dragon. He is a sea wing. And yes, it's a he.
Okay.
Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you again, ladies.